Hey everyone, welcome back. It's Emily with CabinetNow.com, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to attach your drawer glides to your drawer box, as well as how to attach that to your single drawer base cabinet. So let's get started. Because my glides attach to my face frame, I needed 3/4 inch spacers to go at the very back of my box. I ordered these 3/4 inch plastic spacers online on Amazon.com, and I got them within a couple days. I determined I needed 3/4 inch spacers for these glides based upon the face frame exposure. Overall, this drawer glide installation was a breeze, and I loved how this project turned out. Now we just need to add our drawer faces and we're done. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like, comment, and subscribe on our page below. And stay tuned for more pro cabinetry tips. If you need more information, please feel free to contact us.